How are you?
I'm doing good.
Mike Iaconelli.
Mike, Antron Brown, nice to meet you.
Great to meet you in person. Being a part of Team Toyota, I'm really proud of it because every Tundra built is built in San Antonio by Americans that take pride in their work. That pride goes all the way down to everybody that drives a truck.
This is just incredible. You just can see just the quality, the craftsmanship, and everybody's pushing each other to be better. Everybody's on that same team. It's all about teamwork, and I think that's what makes this facility so amazing.
So how many trucks come off of this line right here?
We build about 1,000 trucks a day, every single day. One truck is turned on every 60 seconds.
Every 60 seconds, a truck gets turned on for the first time.
Right here in San Antonio, Texas is the only place in the world where we build Toyota Tundra. So we're very proud to know that our team members built those trucks here locally in San Antonio.
You know, they're keeping the employees here because they're happy and they're proud to work for Toyota.
That's a TRD Pro.
How can I get that one? That's the one I want right there.
All we gotta do is go find the keys, brother.
Wow.
This is where the trucks of trucks is made.